If you've ever watched one of my videos, you know that HubSpot's main strength lies in its ability to centralize information, allowing for increasingly precise conclusions and strategy implementations. Since one of the main acquisition channels for many businesses is the advertising channel, it's natural that HubSpot allows us to connect this part of your strategy to your portal. But first off, why is it important to link your ads account to your HubSpot portal? It's for 5 main reasons. First one is for centralized management. You will be able to manage all your advertising campaigns directly through a single platform, HubSpot, saving you time and adding clarity. The second reason is audience targeting and segmentation. You will be able to use your CRM data to target, segment, and create new custom audiences to maximize the impact of your campaigns. The third reason is for lead nurturing, because one of the most interesting features of HubSpot's ad tool is the ability to generate audience lists based on your leads for retargeting, nurturing campaigns, etc. Then the fourth reason is for ROI measurements and analytics. Since HubSpot has access to all the data related to your advertising campaigns and all the behavior information of your leads, determining the profitability of a campaign is much easier and intuitive. And the last reason is for automated ad optimization, because HubSpot automatically optimizes campaigns based on the performance to improve results over time. So now that it's clear why you should connect your ads account to your portal, let's see how to use this tool optimally. The first step is to connect your advertising accounts, which is straightforward. You need to go to Settings, scroll down to Marketings, Ads. And then you will just need to click on Connect an Account. You choose the network you want to add and you follow the automatic connection process. And once done, it's time to explore the different functionalities available to us. Just a quick break to inform you that this video is part of a free training focusing on how to set up your HubSpot portal in the most efficient way possible. This free training will be divided into 7 big modules, each addressing a specific key point of your HubSpot portal. And each module consists into several videos that will go deeper into a specific functionality or feature of your HubSpot portal. If it's not already the case when you watch this video, the videos in this series will be published gradually and they will be added to this specific playlist. I have also prepared a private web page bringing together all the different content of this free training and some additional bonus content. So to benefit of this free content and to be notified for every new chapter that is releasing, I invite you to click on the link in the description below. To manage our advertising campaigns, just go to Marketings and Ads. If it's your first time, you will have HubSpot providing you a step-by-step guide to set up effective ads and allow you to take advantage of all available features. On this main page, you will also find key figures of your ads detailed by campaign. So it's a test portal, so I don't have any ads running, but it will appear here and everything is clickable and you will have all the data you need. But what you need to remember is that you will be able to directly create ads from your interface by clicking on Create Ad Campaign. Based on the account you will choose, you will have the possibility to choose the type of ads and to be guided by the HubSpot AI tool to create relevant and optimized ads for your business. If you want to go manually, for instance, let's create a search ad for Google Ads. You choose your account. You can either create a new Google campaign or add to an existing one if you have one. Click on Next, and then you will have a classic ad editor when you can see in real time how your ads will look like. Once you're happy about the visual of your ads, you can obviously go to keywords to select the keywords your ads will be targeting. You can choose the targeting, for instance, if it's only search or display, the geographic location of your targeting, the language, and you can also add retargeting audience. You can, for instance, retarget your leads that belong to a specific list by clicking on Create here, choosing the list you want to do retargeting to, and create audience. You can also retarget visitors of your website by clicking on Create here, select the source pixel, the specific page they visit you want to target, for instance, people that visited our pricing pages, and you can choose the period of time that is concerned by this targeting. Once that's done, you give it a name to make it easier and you create your audience. Once you're happy about your targeting, you can just go to budget and schedule, choose the budget you want to put in a daily basis. You can choose the bid strategy and you can choose the period of time your ads will be running. And once everything is good, you can create short automations, but you can also do it directly through a normal workflow, which is way more optimized. Once you fill all the required fields of this ad creation, you can click on publish and your ads will start running. So we just saw how to create an ad campaign, but as we mentioned during the ad creation, we can also create audiences. So basically you click on create audience and it will work the same way as we saw on the ads creation, but you can do it before your ad creation to save some time and to use this different audience for different ads. You can also create events that would be like the goal of your ad campaign. So to do so, you can click on create event, choose the network you want, choose the ad account, and you can decide that the event trigger is either a lifecycle stage change. You can choose the lifecycle here, or a specific form submission. You can select the form you want here as well. Once you're happy, you can fill all the different fields they ask you. You click on create event and you're ready to go. Now imagine you have several ads running. You can go to Analyze tab and you will have a global dashboard presenting all the results and data of your ad campaign's efforts. I hope you enjoy this video. If it's the case, don't forget to put a thumbs up, to subscribe to this channel and to save this playlist to make sure you don't miss any new chapter of this free training. And don't forget the link in the description below that gives you this free access to all the content of this free training plus more additional content on how to set up your HubSpot portal in the most efficient way possible. For those who are discovering me through this video, I'm Grégoire, HubSpot expert for more than 7 years now, and I will see you very soon for more HubSpot tips.